Welcome to Deutsch Liebe. Today, we would be understanding how to build sentences in German language. First, we will start with personal pronouns. So let's begin. Ich is I. Du is you, which is singular and informal way of addressing to someone. Is he. Es is it. Sie is she. Wir is we. Ihr is you, and plural. It is used to address a group of people. For example, you all. Sie is you, which is a formal way of addressing to someone. Now that we have understood the personal pronouns, we will use these pronouns in combination with verbs. The first verb is komme. Komme is to come. Ich komme. The ending is me. It means I come. Du kommst with ending of st is you come. Sie kommt ending with mt is he, she or it comes. Wir kommen ending with en is we come. Ihr kommt ending with mt is you come in an informal way, which is plural. Sie kommen ending with en is a formal way of telling someone to come. The second verb is lernen, which is to learn. Ich lerne. I learn. Du lernst. You learn. Sie lernt. He, she, it learns. Wir lernen is we learn. Ihr lernt. You learn, which is plural and informal. Sie lernen. You learn. It is formal way of addressing. For example, ich lerne Deutsch. Wir lernen Deutsch. Ihr lernt Deutsch. This is how we would be using the personal pronouns, verbs to complete a sentence. More details would be covered in the next session. Until then, keep practicing. Thank you so much.